Here's my Hunter Libber ceiling fan. You can see it's just still in my swing. I did found a stick. I didn't have any more pinwheel fan sticks. I just found just a stick. Like those kind of colors, not really that color sticks, but it is still in my backyard. My other fans I already made a video of is over there. But it does have really cool design to it. My other fans have background too, but it's a sort of a swing. It does spin pretty well, but it's crooked. It is crooked because the tape is melting to the side of the motor. Damn, I'm trying to get up on a swing. Look at Donald doing out here. There's a Hunter fan. What is Uncle Donald doing? Let's do. There's 3 blades. What the? What is he doing stuff at me for?
I didn't do that.
Yeah, you did.
It fell out the tree. Look, the squirrel's running.
Dang. It is under the moon. It's all over spring. You can see. It's pink. It's watching right there.